Promise, Dennis Song. Gates open, they're up and racing. My Promise draws for your lead. Randa Dance in second, Formal Entry racing in third. Down in fourth, Botbo in the hay second last, and Dennis Song is running at the tail of the field. About to pass the 900 meters post. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Randa Dance running on the outside, running by the rail. My Promise. Formal Entry is watching in third, moving up to take fourth in the hay. Botbo running second last, and Dennis Song still in behind them. Rounding at the last 600 and working towards the 450. It's still Randa Dance by about 2 lengths. Running now in second, Formal Entry. There was a spill. Rider up, My Promise. Jeff Sarate left unseated. Randa Dance leading the field. Formal Entry is in second on the outside. Moving up, Botbo in the hay by the rail. Randa Dance, Formal Entry is on the outside. Formal Entry running by the rail. Randa Dance, Botbo. Formal Entry winning race number 3. Botbo took second, then comes Randa Dance in the hay.
Okay, 5-6-3-2 ang ating unofficial order of arrival crossing.